Welcome to Michael Jackson's car collection. Imagine entering Neverland and seeing a fire truck used just for fun, and a golf cart with Michael Jackson painted on the hood as Peter Pan. Michael Jackson didn't just own cars, he turned them into rides straight out of a fantasy. From circus-themed trucks to a Rolls-Royce with sparkling gold accents, MJ's car collection was as strange, magical, and unexpected as the man himself. Today, we're opening the doors to his secret automotive wonderland, and you won't believe what he was driving around his own backyard. The crown jewel of Neverland. Now, we can't talk about Michael Jackson's car collection without mentioning the crown jewel, his 1999 Rolls-Royce Silver Seraph limousine. This wasn't just any luxury car, it was Michael's personal vision of royalty on wheels. The exterior was sleek and elegant, but when you opened those heavy doors, the real show began. Inside, you'd find an interior that some said looked like it was pulled from the Palace of Versailles. And that's exactly what Michael intended. He personally designed it, fitting the inside with lavish 24-karat gold accents and crystal details. This car was powered by a beastly 5.4-liter V12 engine, so while it looked like a rolling throne, it could move. This vehicle tells you everything about Jackson's taste for the spectacular. It was all set to be auctioned in 2009, but the sale was cancelled due to some legal disputes. But the story doesn't end with gold-trimmed luxury. In fact, that's where it just begins to get weird. The Neverland Fantasy Fleet. As much as he loved luxury, Michael's collection was more about fantasy. Case in point, who looks at a plain old 1986 GMC High Sierra pickup and thinks, I should turn that into a full-blown fire truck for my backyard amusement park? Well, Michael Jackson did. This bright red rig proudly wore the words, Neverland Fire Department, on the side, and it was fully decked out with hoses, ladders, and flashing lights. The surprisingly normal, with a twist. But amidst all the fantasy, there were some surprisingly ordinary cars. Now, this is where the collection gets downright strange. Michael Jackson had a van, a 1993 Ford Econoline E150. It looked like something your uncle would take to the hardware store. And that was the whole point. While the outside was completely plain, the inside was his secret weapon. It was heavily customized with high-end leather, multiple TV screens, and even a video game console, turning it into a private media lounge on wheels. It was the perfect way to travel under the radar while playing video games in the back. He also owned a 1985 Mercedes-Benz 500 SEL for longer than almost any other car. It was his daily driver for years, shuttling him between his home and the recording studio. This rare import showed a more grounded side to his collection, a simple luxury he enjoyed before gifting it to his aunt. That car was eventually sold at auction and is now displayed at the Hollywood Star Cars Museum. The tour bus of a king. But Michael could never stay grounded for long. When it was time to hit the road for his History World Tour, he did it in a 1997 Neoplan tour bus that was more like a 5-star penthouse on wheels. You'd think the king of pop would be content with a standard luxury bus, but oh no. Michael designed this thing himself. The bathroom had porcelain, granite, and gold fixtures. The plush carpet on the floor even had a king's crown embroidered right into it. This wasn't just a bus, it was a statement, a rolling palace for the king of pop on his global conquest. When you look at Michael Jackson's car collection as a whole, you realize it was never about horsepower or speed. It was about feeling. From the royal luxury of his Rolls-Royces to the childlike whimsy of his Peter Pan golf cart, each vehicle was a chapter in his story. Which one of Michael Jackson's bizarre cars surprised you the most? Drop a comment letting us know below, and don't